Yeah, there's hot dogs and all kinds of drinks over there, except for beer. When you gonna get you a sign? Hope y'all know y'all gonna be rolling on YouTube tonight. You going, Francisco? It's too hot for work. Too hot. Huh? It's just one day.
But tomorrow?
What about tomorrow? We're having one in Lufkin tomorrow.
Oh. Will the same people be there?
Yeah, there'll be more there. Alright, y'all don't be over there a lot.